In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth. Then click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, choose this icon next to the device and hit on Pair under Rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!